Bob Enemchukwu has come again with the stories and histories of African tradition and Igbo race in particular. The book of Genesis chapter 9 verse 6 made us understand. It says, "Whoso sheddeth man's blood, by man shall his blood be shed, for in the image of God made he man." God is angry when he sees innocent blood being shed. Something happened in African culture and Igbo race. Idol worshipping polluted our traditional way of serving God by offering human blood to shrines and idols instead of animal blood. There are so many communities where human beings were buried alive so that idols placed on them can begin to function. Any spirit that tells you to bring your child to be killed so that he can protect you is from Satan. That is why the word of God made us to understand in John 3:16, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son." If that spirit that you're serving claims that he is strong to protect you, he shouldn't request for your daughters and your sons to be buried alive. Think twice. I remain your friend, Bob Enemchukwu. I'm coming back for other series concerning the African culture.